tu sens cette énergie. Je veux ressentir ça jusqu'à la fin. Sinon c'est mort, je vais tracer ma route. C'est cuit, c'est cuit. Tu me vois pas venir, demande pas c'est qui. En I, j'arrive, y'a pas de débat, c'est moi la pépite. Yeah, baby don't you go nowhere, freeze. Even though you get what you want, say please.
Oh, welcome to Jersey. First brown people to. How does it feel to be the first brown girl in Jersey?
For the second time.
You put a date on it, say when. Spinning French chips, baby scream wee wee. I'm up, shawty, I be the man. Body like a Benz. Grab up your friends, we leaving. Snatch up a dime and treat it.
Hi guys, just arrived in Jersey with the crew. Got the cameraman here and my assistant. We're just waiting for transport from Mami Lauka. First views, first opinions on Jersey.
It's a nice place.
Rayhan's the first brown person, first male brown person in Jersey. After Shifa took the world title for being the first in September. Yeah, so this is her second time.
Listen, I'm getting weird looks from people.
all the old white people are like, who is this guy? Okay guys, so hello, we're on another vlog. We're now in Jersey with my main man Rohan over on the camera. Today, to avoid tax, we ordered these studio beats to Jersey. So we're gonna do a little opening right now, and then we're gonna have some munch right after, and then do some gaming. And that sounds like a perfect day to me. Alright, let's crack this bad boy open. Ugh. Gotta zoom in on that.
Ooh, yes.
So in the box we have the beats themselves. We'll leave that to last. I do like the packaging. Oh, so Apple Music. Oh, get 3 months of Apple Music. Scan here. Okay, nice. Oh, we got a sticker too. Some bullshit. Cool. Killed the back. Oh, very hard. Fast play, charging cable. Very nice. 3-hour play, 10-minute charge. We've got another cable for audio. Oh. Oh. So there they are, Beat Studio in white. Got some stickers on them. You gotta get that. You get ready.
Yeah, go for it. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that's the stuff.
That's the stuff.
Take care of you, buy you rocks like a princess. Come on, you know it don't stop. She coming toward me, catching on.
Wow. Oh.
Meow meow. Meow meow.
Oh.
Alright, what are you playing?
We are playing Too Easy.
Too easy, yeah?
Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing I pay on the popper. Stayed in the hood where the killers at, made my pillow a chopper. This ain't that what you looking at, and we done updated the roster. You can tell it's a rich nigga posture. Y'all gon' want on spitting it proper. Trapping at school, I was serving bags. Probably was searching my locker. Who did your jury? It look like brass. One of your bro should've stopped you. It's young one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat where it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing. No way.
4 pings on that. Oh, Blade one.
Whereabouts?
Right in front. I put it down the one, but you go rest.
Oh my god. You could have told me you had a rocket launcher.
He has a rocket launcher.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Oh no, he has a combat bow. Nice. He didn't even let me throw my thermite, man.
Yeah, she's a little pretty.
The weather in England sucks. Yeah, now we're around to Gatwick. We've walked through some weird gates. So yeah, now we're...
Say well up.